Introduction. My name is Chidinma IBB. I'm from Imo State, and family friend. It's so unreal that I'm standing here to talk about him, not celebrating the next birthday, but to talk about his death. I don't know what to say. But yesterday's, I was hoping that by now somebody will say, oh, it was a trick. He woke up. It's so real and it's so sad.
What do you remember?
A man who loved people, who also loved Nigerian, was hoping for the best. He didn't. Oh, I don't know what to say. I'm just so sad.
I call him Daddy Chief, because he truly was inspirational. He's the sort of person that would always check on you and to see how you're doing. I remember when we were doing my father's IBB legacy, the first one that we had, I mean, he was just, his presence, was just incredible. I've never seen a man who is so dedicated and so devoted and so passionate as well. And he really looks after his friends and his family. So he was there with us all throughout, right from the beginning, making sure everything was okay. And then there we developed a close bond, Aisha, are you doing okay? Is everything all right? Are you looking after daddy? He will be missed. He really would be missed. I want to express my heartfelt condolence to the family first and foremost, because they would really miss him, and then to the AIT team. I mean, it's losing that essence of what you are. But I know with his memory, his guidance, and everything that he's taught everybody in AIT, you'll continue to strive. May his gentle soul rest in peace.